Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
And the winner is...
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kate. Racing goggles.
And scarves. We can be race car drivers.
Racy to it. Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and raced off to the starting line of the Speedster 500.
Look, our race car. I'll be the driver.
And I'll be the navigator. Here's the race map with the directions.
So who are we racing against?
Good luck to you, too.
You're gonna need it.
Oh, you're gonna win? We'll see about that.
Racers, seatbelts on. Go!
Which way? Should I follow them?
No, go right. It'll be faster. Look out!
Ha-ha! Missed me!
Kit, go that way, up the mountain. Faster! They're catching up!
Oh, yeah? Well, I know a shortcut. Hang on! Yes! Back in the lead!
Not for long. We just gotta get through this swamp to reach the finish. Go, Kit!
No! We're not going to lose! Ha-ha! So long, ducks!
Look, the finish line!
First place, here we come!
Yay, we won!
And the winner is Kit and Kate. In second place? That's funny. Where are the ducks?
Oh, they're back in the woods, stuck in the mud.
They are? How do you know?
Because we passed them.
They were stuck and you didn't stop to see if they needed help?
We couldn't. We wanted to win.
Some winners.
Yeah, more like losers.
Let's make sure the ducks are okay. Come on!
But we won.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's the trophy for?
For winning the race.
You won? Then why do you look so sad?
'Cause everyone called us losers.
Why?
They're mad we didn't stop and help the ducks.
But we had to keep going so we could win.
And are the ducks okay?
We don't know. They never got here.
Oh, now I understand. We cared more about winning than making sure that our friends were okay.
Yeah, and you aren't a real winner if someone else has to get hurt for you to win. Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time we'll remember that winning isn't everything.
Especially if you have friends that need your help.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their racing adventure all over again. But this time, they remembered that even though they wanted to win, real winners make sure everyone who is playing is safe.
We're catching up to them, Kate. We can win this.
Look, the ducks got stuck in the mud.
Let's make sure they're okay. Hang on, we can help you. I know what to do.
We have a winner! Wait, if you all cross the finish line together, who's the winner?
The winner is... friendship!
What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
All by myself.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box. Do you see what I see?
I see what you saw.
A seesaw kit. Let's put it together.
Together.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate set off on their big adventure. They journeyed up Cog Cliff and across the Piston Prairie until they found what they were looking for.
Wow! This is the perfect spot to build our seesaw kit. Kit?
You're right, Kate. Kate.
Here are the instructions. Let's see. First, we have to dig a hole for the center post. I can help dig the hole with this shovel. Hey!
Don't bother, Kate. I could do this all by myself.
Okay.
Watch how fast I am.
Watch it, Kit.
Sorry. See? Told you I could do it myself.
Well, let me help you stand the post up. Oh!
Don't bother. I could do it myself.
But it's heavy, Kit.
No sweat. Watch. Huh?
I can help.
No. I can do this myself. Got it. I knew I could do it myself.
Well, let me help attach the cross beam.
Nah, I could do it myself.
Attach the seats?
I can do that myself.
Both the handles? Don't tell me. I can do that all by myself.
Yup.
Huh?
There. It's done. I told you I could do it myself. Now let's ride. Come on, Kate.
No.
Kate, it takes two to seesaw.
Why don't you just do it all by yourself?
What's your problem? You wanted to seesaw, so I built you a seesaw. See?
I saw.
Then along came a mysterious stranger. Wow, what a super seesaw. Why aren't you two riding it?
She won't get on.
No, why not?
I wanted to help build it, but he wouldn't let me.
So I could do it all by myself.
I see. And was it fun to build?
Super fun.
It sure wasn't fun for me.
How come?
'Cause I felt left out.
Oh, now I understand. When everyone gets a chance to help, no one feels left out.
I'm glad you finally seesaw the light.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, we'll do everything together, so no one feels left out. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their seesaw adventure all over again. But this time, Kit let Kate help out instead of trying to do everything all by himself.
Kate, will you help me dig this hole?
Sure, I love digging.
Kate, if you'll hold the pole, I'll grab the shovel and fill in the dirt.
You got it. You see what I see?
I see a seesaw.
That we put together.
Together! Come on, Kate, get on. I can't do this all by myself.
And by letting his sister help, Kit learned that working together is a lot more fun for everyone.